Yo, welcome back everyone, glad you're here. In today's video, I want to show you the side of meme coins that actually fucking pays, and it's not from trading, by the way. Most people are out here trading charts and just losing all their money, but we don't do that. We dev and launch coins instead. And in 2026, deving meme coins has been extremely profitable for me, and it's still wide open and untapped. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and I'll run you through a quick example so you can see exactly how it works in real time. Everyone is trying to make money trading meme coins, meanwhile I'm the one creating the coins and making all the profits. Let me show you why deving meme coins is the real meta in 2026 right now. Now, 3 to 4 months ago I was making a lot of fucking money from trading, but in 2026 it's completely different. The meta has changed. If you are still trading, bro, you are most likely going to lose your entire port because most of these coins just end up getting rugged to complete zero. For example, this coin, right, it pumped and then it dumped. Now let me explain to you exactly who is winning in this situation. No, it's not the traders. The traders are actually the ones losing, but it's the devs. The devs are the ones printing from these launches because all they're doing is launching with the viral narrative and then cashing out on all the fucking hype. Okay, that's exactly why I highly recommend to switching to deving, because you have nothing to lose, bro. Launching meme coins cost literally nothing, not including the blockchain fees, and then they just launch and dump and repeat over and over again. And if you are really a grinder, you can dev multiple coins at a time. Okay, there's a bunch of different strategies, but in this video I'm going to expose my deving strategy. I will show you how it's done with a live example. Okay, so let's get straight to it. And by the way, bro, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you how it's done. That's it, bro. So please, bro, do your own research. And yeah, bro, I do not condone any financial advice. Cap. Now, understanding why deving works is one thing, but executing it properly is another strategy. And the single biggest mistake is when people try to dev meme coins on Pump.Fun directly right here. It is the most recognizable name, so it feels like the starting point for all devs, but that's a big mistake because Pump.Fun is completely overwhelmed with new tokens every single day. The feed right here in the new pairs is flooded with a bunch of Pump.Fun meme coins. You are not competing on quality, you are competing on sheer luck that your coin goes randomly viral. And we are not trying to dev meme coins and waste our time. We want to make gains consistently or just have a better chance of making money on the long term, right? And that's exactly why I personally launch on the Radium DEX. There's more attention, there's more opportunity and more potential for your coin to blow up because it's less competitive and there's more people buying coins when it goes in the migrate section, also known as the Radium DEX. That's why I launch here. And here's the secret to launching on Radium. Okay, I do not use Pump.Fun to launch my meme coins on Radium because it will need to reach a $35,000 migration price. Instead, I use create Meme.io to dev my meme coins to Radium. Every single coin that is dev'd on create Meme.io, it immediately levels up the Radium immediately without going through stupid steps, and that's exactly why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now you have multiple ways to coming up with a coin. You could either build a coin from scratch with a narrative, with a project, with a community by inventing a name, symbol, and image. It's really easy. Or you can scan their X tracker, it's completely free by the way, and you can turn tweets into coins. If Donald Trump, Elon Musk, or someone famous tweets, well, you could turn that into a meme coin instantly before any other dev, and that gives you an edge. But in this video, we will be using the copy trending coins feature. The reason why is because all these coins that you are seeing right here have went viral before, or they're going viral right now. They all have a good narrative, a good community, everything is perfect. That's why they're here, they're handpicked. So instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, we will be vamping a coin and relaunching it back to Radium with the same image, ticker symbol, and name and links. Everything will be duped back to Radium, and that is exactly our strategy, bro. Let me show you how it's done. Now it's time for the live example of a dev. Okay, we will see how much we make, so stay tuned and keep watching to see how much we make from this Memecoin crypto launch. Now look, connect your Phantom wallet, click on refresh, right, all the simple steps, and then look for a coin to copy. Okay, I'ma just pick one blindfoldly. Boom, I pick this one just randomly. Click on copy the radium, right, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the XBT coin will be copied. Just wait for it to load in for it to be minted. And bang, bro, if I go on SoulScan, you guys have proof that it's on chain. You guys can go see it for yourself, it's up to you. Anyways, now let's create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where we allocate our supply, where we create the radium liquidity pool. Like that, it can go to radium, and like that you have supply before everyone else. It's really easy, bro, just follow along. Click on 90%, this will drop 90% of the supply for the public. Okay, that is recommended. For the amount of sort to pair, here is where you will be buying some of your supply as a dev. Like that you can make profits while your coin goes up. Okay, it's really that simple. Yeah, here put anywhere from 0.3 Solana to 1 Sol. I am going to put 0.3. You are not going to lose this. You can get this back at any moment that you want. Once you exit, it will come back to your wallet. Click on create pool. Your Phantom should obviously show up right here. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. Or to see your coin. Then scroll down and bang, the XBT coin is on live. Your PNL is going to be right there. And then now click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now on your PNL. And as you guys can see, we're up $160 now because people are buying in. I'm sorry, I'm too used to clicking on refresh to see how much we're up, but yeah, this is a great sign. That means our coin is good since we copied it right to radium. Now go on your trading terminal to see the coin. Let me go on full screen to see the coin. And as you guys can see, the coin is live. Okay, we are getting a bunch of traction on our meme coin. This is exactly what we like. We're at a 2.5k market cap, 1.3k liquidity. We should be up around $500, $600 by now, maybe even more. I'm not sure. It has been like 2 minutes already. Things are looking insane. And remember, bro, this coin costed us $0 to dev, which means we have nothing to lose. Even if we make a couple $100, even if it goes to zero, we have nothing to lose. That's why you have to start deving right now. Okay, and this right here is the power of create meme.io and radium to reach organic random people to buy your coin. I'm gonna leave this coin run for a bit. When I come back right after the montage, I'm gonna show you how to cash out your supply and profits when I come back. Alright guys, I am back and the coin is absolutely shooting, bro. This is normal because it's on radium. It's getting a bunch of attention by the second. Now let's cash out on our 2.1k liquidity coin. Come back to create meme.io and then obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, 2.25k is what we are going to receive if we cash out our PNL right now. Click on the minus button, do 100%. This is important, right, for the liquidity. Click on remove liquidity, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up. Come on. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang, bro, we just devved the coin and we made 2 bands. Look, bro, I'm not lying. In my Phantom wallet directly, 2.2k, bro. This is exactly how it works from start to finish. Now it's up to you, bro. If you got convinced to dev today, create meme.io will be linked down below or in the description. Like, subscribe, and join my Discord and stay consistent, bro. If you want to win 5 Solana like this lucky when you're right here, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment, and join my Telegram group down below. It's linked to have the full entry and to see details.